card approved, you could still be deported in 2025. Even if you followed every rule, submitted every form, and done everything right, 2025 is proving that legal status is no longer guaranteed. The U.S. immigration system is changing rapidly under President Trump's second term. What once felt stable is now filled with unexpected risks, especially for immigrants already in the system. Today, we'll uncover the 7 biggest changes reshaping how green cards, citizenship, and work permits are handled, and what they could mean for you and your family. 1. Mandatory green card interviews for everyone. Previously, many family-based green card applicants, especially spouses and parents, could skip the in-person interview. Not anymore. As of 2025, every single applicant must attend an in-person interview. No waivers, no exceptions. That includes VAWA applicants, minor children, and elderly parents. Worse, these interviews are becoming more confrontational. Officers are asking for access to your social media, demanding text messages, and even separating spouses during the interview, often with no suspicion of fraud. This is the new standard, not the exception, and it's leading to more delays and more denials. 2. Denials now trigger deportation proceedings. In the past, a denial meant you could fix your case or refile. In 2025, a denial could mean you're immediately referred to immigration court. The expanded notice to appear, NTA, policy now means even a missing document or filing mistake, a missed deadline, or a forgotten address change could trigger removal proceedings. For thousands of families, this means hiring a lawyer, spending thousands of dollars, and suddenly being at risk of deportation, even if you were fully eligible from the beginning. 3. One mistake could cost you $20,000 plus. Legal immigration was never cheap, but now it's financially overwhelming. Filing a green card, $3,000 to $4,000. Government fees, $2,500 plus. If denied and referred to court, $10,000 plus for removal defense. Fraud waivers, up to $5,000 more. Total costs can now exceed $20,000 plus for a single green card case. And that's not including the emotional toll, the stress, or the years of uncertainty. 4. Fear is spreading, even among legal immigrants. These harsh policies are discouraging even lawful immigrants from applying. Many are now asking, should I file, or will I get deported if something goes wrong? Some are delaying green card renewals. Others are postponing citizenship. Family reunifications are being put on hold. Lawyers are reporting a growing chilling effect. And that's the goal: create fear, even for those who followed every rule. 5. USCIS is crumbling internally. Behind the scenes, USCIS is in crisis. Staff resignations are at record highs. Overtime has been slashed. Morale is at an all-time low. What does this mean for you? Interviews that took 30 minutes now take 4 hours. Officers are rushed, overwhelmed, and less prepared. Files get lost. Interviews get rescheduled. Decisions are delayed for months. This dysfunction affects every applicant, no matter how perfect your case may be. 6. Your social media is now evidence. USCIS now monitors your online presence. What you post on Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook can be used against you. Jokes, memes, or comments. Photos that contradict your application. Posts taken out of context. All of it can be flagged as evidence and used to deny your case, or worse, refer you to removal. You may never know which post caused it until it's too late. 7. Spouses are being separated at interviews again. One of the most feared tactics is back. At marriage-based interviews, couples are being split up without warning, even when there's no suspicion of fraud. One spouse is questioned while the other waits. Officers look for minor inconsistencies, like what color your bed sheets are or when you last went shopping. This practice had largely ended under President Biden. But in 2025, it's back and used aggressively, especially in Texas, Florida, and New York. Processing times have exploded. What used to take 6 to 8 months now takes 12 to 18 months, sometimes longer. Family-based green cards. Employment categories: EB1, EB2, EB3. Humanitarian visas like VAWA and asylum. They're all suffering massive backlogs. People are losing jobs, canceling travel, delaying school plans, watching relationships fall apart, and there's no clear plan to fix it. Citizenship may soon get harder. If you qualify for U.S. citizenship, now may be your last best chance. In 2025, the Trump administration is planning to make the test harder, increase vetting, add stricter eligibility rules. Citizenship approval rates, which once hovered at 92%, are expected to drop dramatically. If you're eligible, don't wait. File now before the door begins to close. Final thoughts. This is not just enforcement, it's exclusion. Let's be honest. These aren't isolated updates. Together, they create a system designed to discourage legal immigration, overwhelm families, and push people out even if they've done everything right. Mandatory interviews, social media surveillance, automatic deportation, endless delays, extreme costs, and growing fear, even for legal residents. But knowing the facts gives you power. What you can do right now: speak to an experienced immigration attorney before filing anything. File now if you're eligible for a green card or citizenship. Don't delay. Clean up your online presence. Review and delete questionable posts. Keep all documents updated. Respond to USCIS quickly and completely. Expect longer interviews and wait times, but prepare with confidence. Immigration is under pressure in 2025, but you're not powerless. We're here to help. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and stay informed. Your future depends on it.